Hello, and welcome to Energy Auditing 101, Auditing Background and Protocols. This presentation is brought to you by the Oregon Housing and Community Services Multifamily Energy Program. It is the first of three modules that we'll be bringing you on energy auditing process in multifamily buildings. The first aspect that we want to discuss is what is an energy audit of a multifamily building. It is a review of the existing building conditions within a building as they relate to energy use. The purpose of it is to determine current energy uses within the building, where the energy is being used, also to determine energy saving opportunities, whether that is in replacing systems or with fine-tuning the existing systems, and to identify and improve safety and comfort for residents. These audits can be whole building, as in looking at the entire building and all the systems within it, or system specific, focusing in on individual systems within the building. The Oregon Multifamily Energy Program has three participation pathways. Each pathway does require verification of existing conditions. Pathways 1, the menu pathway, and 2, the bundled pathway, require photo documentations of the energy measures being upgraded, while Pathway 3, the whole building pathway, requires a comprehensive whole building energy audit to verify existing conditions of the property. The whole building pathway also requires the development of an energy model, so tips from this presentation on energy audits will aid in development of the whole building model. Energy audits may be split into several categories based on the breadth or the depth of the audit. ASHRAE, the American Society for Heating, Refrigeration, and Air Conditioning Engineers, separates audits into three levels based on depth. Level 1 audits involve the least cost-intensive recommendations to building owners. These recommendations typically involve improving the use of existing systems through set points or installation adjustments. Level 2 audits are the minimum level required for the whole building pathway of this program. They involve more intensive recommendations, which may include replacement or updating of existing systems. These audits may also involve the analysis of energy currently used by the building. Level 3 audits are the most exhaustive level and will result in the deepest recommendations. This level of audit will likely involve financial analysis of potential savings versus cost of installation of recommendations, and may include data monitoring of existing systems and engineering analysis to help drive the recommendations. The ASHRAE scale categorized audits based on the depth of the audit, the vertical scale of the chart. However, you may also categorize audits based on the breadth of the audit, the horizontal scale of this chart. On the left-hand side would be an audit that focuses on a single system of a building and how to improve that system. On the right-hand side of the chart would be an audit that focuses on the full building and how the different systems interact with one another. The process by which an energy audit is conducted is determined by the standards and protocols by which the energy auditor complies. This program uses the ResNet protocols to determine how many units must be reviewed at each property. The full text of the protocols are available at the website given here. The basics of this protocol are that one unit of each type will be sampled at a given property, and that if there are many units of the same type, at least 1/7 of each type will be sampled. Types of units are units with distinct energy use profiles, which are typically based on bedrooms, floor area, and exterior wall area. BPI, the Building Performance Institute, is a major player in the realm of auditing protocols. They have developed standards for how to audit most aspects of buildings and offer certifications to show competency in understanding these standards. Their full standards are available online at the link given here. In particular, they offer protocols for how to carry out testing of combustion systems, heating, water heaters, or stoves that use natural gas or propane. Although these systems are relatively uncommon in Oregon, and so this testing isn't required, it is strongly recommended due to the potential health and safety ramifications of improperly functioning systems. CAS testing will look for gas leaks, high levels of carbon monoxide, incomplete combustion, and whether a system is properly venting its combustion gases or spilling them into the living space. This has been the first of three modules on Energy Auditing 101 in multifamily buildings. We hope you have enjoyed this presentation and will continue on to watch the following 2 modules in which we will discuss the full process of energy audits and typical system types found in multifamily buildings. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy the other modules.